What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this laundry hamper from Mefirt. In this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the hamper, including the one thing you should know before buying. So the first thing I want to say is that the brand had reached out to us and asked us if we wanted an item in exchange for a review. And I do want to disclose that we said yes to that because we actually needed a laundry hamper. But that in no way impacts my review of the hamper itself, and you'll see why that is here in a minute. So our main reason for wanting one of these is basically we needed a laundry hamper because my wife is smaller, and when the laundry hamper gets full, then it's kind of hard for her to pick it up and drag it around the house. I usually have to do it for her, and she thought, it'd be really cool if we had one that was on wheels. So she said yes to this one, and we do not regret it. First thing I'll say is that in terms of the wheels, it is very smooth. You see, that's very minimal effort there. Very smooth, and it does actually glide really well. I should also say the assembly, so putting everything together, we still haven't even removed the stickers, but putting everything together, it probably took me about 8 minutes. Super, super quick. Doesn't take long at all. A lot of it, and the reason for that, a lot of it just snaps together like this. There's not like a bunch of different screws that you have to put onto it. The hamper itself is really good quality, actually. So you can see here, I don't know exactly what material this is, but this is a more hardcore material, and this isn't some chintzy laundry bag material. It's actually a lot thicker than a lot of the other laundry hampers that I've used before. So like that, we've had this thing pretty much completely full, and I've had to lift it out of here a few times just to move it, and have not had a problem with that either. Wanted to make sure that the handles were stable and it wouldn't just rip off if you yanked up, and they have not. They've held up really, really well, so I don't have a problem with that. I also like a lot, actually, that they have these little bars down here. So it doesn't seem like much, but for the support when you get a really heavy laundry load, it's actually really nice that they have that. Also, you can tell, and this is one of my favorite features, just such a simple thing, but it's like, I don't know why other people or other brands don't think of it. So usually when you wash clothes, you want to have lights and darks. So it's really nice that they have this broken down into the two compartments. This is not removable. If you're someone who's like, I don't really care, I want to remove it. It is not removable, but honestly, it's not bad to just do it on either side. And really, if you don't care, I guess you could just technically throw them all in there. It's worth mentioning too that they also have this pretty much pure white color as well, if you prefer that instead. So the only thing that you should really know before buying this, well, like I said, overall it is definitely a good product, but the one thing I'll say is that when you have this full or close to full, it is a little bit difficult. You can pull this up and you can see, but it is a little bit difficult to get it out of here, out of this little carrier here. It's honestly not really meant to do that, but when you do it, it's kind of tough because the clothes will kind of bulge out the side. You're fighting against these right here. When you're pulling it out. Granted, it's still very much possible. It's not like it's extremely difficult, but that's really the only difficulty that we've had with this. It's a really good hamper, and something that I definitely have absolutely no problem in recommending. So if you're thinking about it, give it a shot. I don't think that you'll regret it.